Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock WhatsApp in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to lock your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you do that. If you have set up your Face ID, so you can easily lock your WhatsApp with your Face ID, or if you have only passcode, so you can easily use your passcode to unlock your WhatsApp. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to keep a long press on your WhatsApp, and here you will get the option of require face id if you have face id, or if you have only passcode, so you will get the option of require passcode. So you have to tap on that option, and then you have to tap on require face id only, and you just have to once verify your face id. And once you have verified, now whenever you want to open your WhatsApp, it requires you to enter your face id or passcode. And here you just have to try again, or you just have to verify your face id or password, and you can easily use your WhatsApp. If you want to turn this off, you can have to simply keep a long press on it again, then tap on not require face ID, and it will be unlocked. So in this way, you can easily lock or unlock your WhatsApp in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.